Have you ever felt stiff in the morning? Has that feeling of stiffness in your body just accumulated in you over the years, becoming more and more intense? The feeling you have is not deceiving you. Your body always gives you accurate signals. All you have to do is to listen to it and give it what it needs. Through this feeling of stiffness, all your joints, bones, and skeletal muscles beg you to move, to exercise, because they are part of your locomotor system. The name itself, the locomotor system, indicates movement and the need for daily exercise. By exercising daily, you get numerous benefits for the shape of your physical body, the health of all of your bodily structures, and your mind. Your heart works tirelessly and unconditionally for you, providing you with the greatest wealth you have, your life. In order for your heart to continue to provide you with life unconditionally, you need to take care of it. When you exercise, all your tissues and organs need more oxygen and nutrients. Due to this need, your brain signals your heart to work harder and thus speed up your blood circulation. Increased heart rate puts your heart under positive stress that strengthens your heart and extends the life of that treasure in the middle of your chest. Your bones are alive. Your bones have their own life, which means the continuous renewal of bone tissue through the death of old bone cells, osteoclasts, and the birth of new bone cells, osteoblasts. In order for those new bone cells that are the building blocks of your bones to be stable and strong, they need to be put under load every day. Thus, it is very important that you exercise with weights, such as, for example, a 22-pound, which is 10 kilo weighted vest that I wear during exercise. You can order this weighted vest on amazongloves.com via the link below this video. In other words, exercise with weights is the prevention of osteoporosis. And the opposite is true. Lack of exercise under load is a sure way to osteoporosis. Your body looks forward to exercise, which is evident from the fact that neurotransmitters called endorphins are released in your brain during exercise. Endorphins are also known as the happiness hormones because they create good mood and mental clarity. If you ever feel depressed, anxious, or stressed, know that the cure is right there for you. Exercise. While you sleep, your body diligently creates vital energy and accumulates it to literally charge your batteries with vital energy for your next day. However, how much of vital energy your body will create and accumulate while you sleep depends on how much vital energy you use while you are awake. When the body gets a reason to spend energy through exercise during the day, the body also gets a reason to increase the battery charging during the night when you sleep. Simply put, if you want to have more energy, ironically, you have to spend more energy through exercise. Exercise so that your body creates and accumulates more energy while you sleep. Do you suffer from insomnia and restless sleep? Physical exercise during the day allows your body and mind to fall into a deeper and more peaceful sleep. During exercise, your blood circulation accelerates and thus your blood supplies all of your organs with oxygen molecules and nutrients. This results in improved functioning of all of your organs, including your brain. Exercise improves the cognitive functions of your brain and allows you to have a more stable focus of mind and better memory. By practicing specific exercises for achieving flexibility, you not only get nicely elongated muscles and enjoy moving freely in your joints, but also protect yourself from potential injuries that may occur when you need to do a movement that requires flexible muscles and mobile joints. Regular exercise strengthens all of your skeletal muscles, but also the smooth muscles that build the walls of your internal organs. When your skeletal muscles of the front abdominal wall are strong, they hold all of your internal organs in their proper position, allowing them to function flawlessly. At the same time, by exercising, you also strengthen the muscles of your internal organs, enabling them to work properly. When you do the right exercises in a proper way, you sculpt your body in the most beautiful way. Do you want to sculpt your body? The solution is available for free. Exercise. I'm inviting you to join my free 7-day yoga challenge for a lean and flexible body online course in which you get 7 yoga classes for body sculpting and 1 step-by-step bonus tutorial for the best intestinal exercise, Nauli Kriya. Register now for free via the link below this video and start sculpting your body. And now, the next sentences that I'm going to say are the sentences that you will need when you find yourself in the situations that I can already foresee. I don't claim to be clairvoyant, but I know so much about the human psyche. So, repeat the following sentences with me and let them sink deep into your mind. Ready, set, go. Even though I don't have time to exercise today, I will do at least 5 minutes of exercise because I'm not letting the day go by without exercise. Even though I don't feel like exercising today, I will still exercise because I respect my body. Even though the very thought of exercising is difficult for me today, I choose to exercise because I like to take care of my health. Although I can't do all the exercises perfectly, at least I will try and do them as best as I can. Even though I feel tired today, I choose to do at least easy exercises because I know that after exercising, I will feel more energetic and better. There are no obstacles for me. I never give up. I am dedicated and consistent to my healthy choices. There are no obstacles for me. I never give up. I am dedicated and consistent to my healthy choices. There are no obstacles for me. I never give up. I am dedicated and consistent to my healthy choices. I sincerely hope that this video has inspired you to introduce exercise into your daily life so that you can enjoy feeling great in your beautifully sculpted body. If you appreciate this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my Health Glows YouTube channel. Make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscription button so that you can enjoy all the upcoming videos that I'm creating for you with lots of love on my Health Glows YouTube channel. In those upcoming videos, you will get free raw vegan recipes, free education on a raw vegan diet, fitness, and health. If these are the topics that you are interested in, then welcome to my little world, my Health Glows YouTube channel. I'm sending you warm regards, and until the next time, keep glowing. Bye bye.